Hi guys, I'm Sim Papan. You're watching Star Scoop. Voot Select एक न्यू ऐप आ गया है वूट की तरफ से और ये ऐप में लॉन्च हो रही है पहली बार में ही 5 वेब सीरीज जो कि डिफरेंट जॉनर्स के होंगी, डिफरेंट कंटेंट होगा और बहुत ज़्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट मिलेगा दर्शकों को। और अभी जैसे कि इसकी जो फर्स्ट वेब सीरीज आ रही है असुर, तो दिस इज अबाउट अ माइथोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर। तो जो माइथोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर्स होते हैं इसमें यूजुअली बहुत ज़्यादा ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स होते हैं। इसमें स्टार कर रहे हैं वरुण सोबती एंड रिद्धि डोगरा। और जैसे कि ये माइथोलॉजिकल है तो इसमें बहुत सारे मिथ्स के बारे में बात होगी, जादू टोना, ब्लैक मैजिक, एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट। एंड इसकी जो स्टार कास्ट है, इनके साथ जब हमारा इंटरव्यू हुआ था, द गर्ल वाज लाइक कि हाँ मेरे को ये करना था बिकॉज ये वाला जो ऐसा कैरेक्टर है ये पहले मेरे को कभी नहीं मिला। रिद्धि डोगरा वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद द कैरेक्टर एंड उन्होंने बोला एक डिफरेंट थीम है इसमें, थीम ही इतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है कि मेरे को ये करने का ही इतना ज़्यादा मन कर रहा था स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के ही। एंड उसके बाद हमारी आ रही है मर्जी इनकी दूसरी वेब सीरीज है जिसमें एक वुमेन है, उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा बिग सीक्रेट्स हैं और बिग सीक्रेट्स के मालूम है कि एक जब लड़की इतने ज़्यादा थ्रिलर हो जाती है, इतनी ज़्यादा मिस्टीरियस हो जाती है तो वो कैरेक्टर उतना ज़्यादा ही इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाता है। सो दिस इज़ अबाउट दैट मर्जी। और इसमें आ रही है आहना कुमरा एंड राजीव खंडेलवाल। इलीगल फिर एक और वेब सीरीज आई है जिसमें लॉ एंड कोर्ट केसेस और कोर्ट रूम्स के बारे में पूरा कोर्ट का ड्रामा दिखाया है इसमें इलीगल में। एंड दिस इज अबाउट द ड्रग्स एंड रियलिटी ऑफ इलीगल केसेस। इसमें स्टार कर रहे हैं नेहा शर्मा एंड विक्रम भट्ट तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही जाने पहचाने नाम है, तो इलीगल से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हैं हमारी। देन आ रही है द रायकर केस इज अबाउट अ फैमिली जिनकी जो फैमिली हिस्ट्री है वो ही बहुत ज़्यादा मर्डर मिस्ट्री के इर्द गिर्द घूम रही है कि जो फैमिली है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मर्डर्स हो रखे हैं या फिर उन लोगों ने कर रखे हैं। ये पूरी उस चीज़ पे है। द रायकर केस पूरा एक फैमिली के ऊपर है जो मर्डर से बहुत ज़्यादा लिंक्ड है। इसमें स्टार कर रहे हैं करण कपूर एंड कुणाल। तो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट इट। और अभी हम आपको इनका स्पेशल लॉन्च दिखाएंगे, इंटरव्यूज दिखाएंगे, क्लिप्स दिखाएंगे और इनका फोटोशूट भी दिखाएंगे। सो लेट्स वॉच द क्लिप्स नाउ।
Over invest in this space and treat it like a first class citizen to get it to the place where we credibly say we're number one and now we have other areas to conquer. Some of the reasons why we actually got there, what we're really proud of, we have the number one engagement rate in the country, which means that barring no app, our users come more frequently to Voot than they do any other app. And that's a staggering achievement for a business like ours. It also helps because you don't spend as much money to try and bring people back and allows you to be good at what you do. Where does this come from? What we realized early on is that digital is very much an interactive platform. We love the fact that we have 335 million interactions with our members. And that's kind of what gives them a voice. They're not just consuming us, they're actually participating in this journey with us. And that stickiness, you can't put a price on. That's been a big part of this journey and a big part of where we were able to make Voot successful.
I hope so.
Did you need to do a lot to get this role right? Or did it come very, very naturally to you?
Without having to spill much of beans, I mean, being the techie part and all that was not difficult, but the role was very demanding in terms of emotions because the journey of this lady is such that she's throughout in a very difficult space, and so yeah. And the good thing is that the techie part is some sort of a relief in between because then she gets onto her work zone. So, but yeah, so it is a very difficult script and a very demanding sort of a role in some sense. And it was great working with everyone. I think Oni is a very, very special director. And it was lovely to associate with him. And so yeah, I mean, Tanveer is again...
Do you have any special code that you can write so that we fly through with the number of subscribers or something like that?
Let it release. Then I shall make that for you.
It's live.
Specially and not charge for it.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you, guys. See you.
It's a show called Marzi. It is a game of lies. You won't know who's saying the truth, but that's the simple part of it. It's actually a very, very relevant show for all of us, especially in this day and age.
'Cause I always dream of you. There's nothing I won't do. For all this love is waiting here for you. All this love, and I guess I always knew. All this love, all this love is waiting here for you. Could be dreaming, and that's okay. Love I feel is every day. Whatever it takes, I wanna be close to you. All this love is waiting here for you. All this love, and my heart it always knew. All this love.
What really happened? How miserable did you make everyone's life? And some more.
I think it was a good fun to shoot. Only thing, the weather was really tough because we shot in locations which were not very conducive to shooting action. But when I met Gaurav for the first time, he told me that he wanted to do a big show. So I got really excited, and then I met Farzad. He said he doesn't have money to make a big show. So I got a little confused at what he wanted me to do. So this is what we made with a big show and less money. And hopefully it'll kick.
I think we've hit on a new formula. It looks good.
Yeah, bro, don't get excited. Season 2 is coming. But yeah, it was great. We managed getting really good talent on the show. Saqib, Iqbal, Valucha, Pilgaonkar is not here. Ekawali Khanna, Mr. Rajesh Salang, the big boss. So I think we had a good cast. All of them are really physically fit. The action was good fun doing, and the camaraderie was fantastic. Also, the support we got from Woot was really good. They listened to what we had to say, and I think it was a really pleasurable experience working with this portal. So thank you all very much.
Saqib, I heard some gossip about you and an ice slab. Do you want to tell us about that?
You know, Farzad, since I was young, I have been a huge fan of the action genre. And I always thought कि यार life में कभी कुछ action ज़रूर करूँगा. So I know Appu for the last 5-6 years, and he called me. He said he has something. Why don't you read it? I read it. I liked it, and I was very excited कि action करने को मिलेगा. तो मैं आपको पहले बता देता हूँ. जितना आसान दिखता है उतना आसान बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. And it is physically taxing to another level, which I never thought. So there was a joke running on set. So after we shot 50% of it. So I kept telling Appu, मैंने कहा सर second season ना love story बनाते हैं, change कर देते हैं, थोड़ा action कम कर देते हैं. But to be really honest, shooting action is such a big adrenaline rush for somebody like me that I enjoyed shooting every moment of it, Farzad. I think we've made a really kick-ass show. We've got some really good action. But more than the action, I'd like to stress about the fact that we have a really good plot. The plot of the show and the way, like you said, कि बड़ा show बनाना है, budget नहीं है. But आप जब show देखेंगे तब आपको ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा. Sir, Farzad, that's a promise. Because I think the scale that we have achieved, all of us are really, really proud of it. And yes, there were rumors about, so my director here, my dearest friend here, उसको बहुत मजा आता है अपने actors को ना थोड़ा सा परेशान करने में. तो now there were a couple of torture scenes I had to have in the series. So we're shooting in Kasauli. It's 0 degrees, guys. 0 degrees. मतलब पता नहीं चल रहा सांस ले रहे हो या वो भाप मुंह से निकल रही है, क्या हो रहा है, कि कॉफी गर्म है या कॉफी ठंडी है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. He stripped me almost in my underpants. And he's told me you're getting tortured. So I'm like, how am I getting tortured, sir? The first he says, Acha, you're getting hit by a bat. I'm like, okay, doable. Okay. He thought, oh, doable. I can push him a little more. He's like, oh, your nails are being plucked out. I'm like, हाँ वो तो makeup लगेगा ना, हो जाएगा sir. Correct. ये अच्छा है. Okay, done. Third, he says, you're on an ice slab. And this joke continued for 3 days till I actually started believing that there's going to be an ice slab. And everybody on set thought that there's going to be an ice slab. Cut to the moment we're supposed to shoot, there's a bed. I'm like, sir, ये क्या है? कह रहा relax कर यार, I'm not that evil. I'm not going to put you through this. But having said that, the amount of fun, all of us, the camaraderie that we've all been talking about, 60 days of pure unadulterated fun. We've all gone out there and fended for one another, looked after one another, and it's just been an amazing skit. I've had a lot of fun, sir.
It shows on screen. Iqbal, for you, very different kind of a role for you. You want to talk a little more about how different it's been from stuff that you've done in the past?
Very liberating as an actor, because I've done a lot of stuff on TV. And, inside you have this, you want to go all out and do realistic stuff and other stuff that you don't get to do on TV. So that ways it was really liberating as an artist.
What do you mean, Iqbal? What do you don't get to do on TV that you got to do here?
No spoilers.
Sorry guys, I had to say that, sorry.
No spoilers. Okay.
Yeah,
Rajesh,
those things too, yeah.
Sure. Rajesh ji, who took the most help from you? किसने आपकी help ली सबसे ज़्यादा? आप सबसे senior हो set पे? आपसे
इतना मुझे मत बनाइए. मैं सबकी हेल्प ले रहा था, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
Okay, ठीक है. Valusha, anything special you did to prepare for this? Lots of action.
Oh my God, so much of special stuff to talk about. So I thought action, and this is great, and this is something I always wanted to do. And first of all, I want to say thank you very much for believing in me and casting me in this. So I thought, okay, let me take it a notch higher. I mean, I'm going to go on set, I want to be completely prepared, and I want to like kick ass with action. And so I was training separately. And I sprained my foot, and it was bad because I tore my ligament. And I sent a picture to all these guys because I'm saying, guys, this is very serious. I've sprained my ankle, it's really bad. Apparently I have grade 2 ligament tear and all of that. But I have to say that the man still believed in me because I was so sure I wouldn't be able to shoot 3 weeks from then. Made sure I got enough of physiotherapy, enough of whatever I needed to do. Someone told me put haldi, I would put haldi. Someone told me to put lavender oil, I put lavender oil. I did everything. And lastly, I think you believed in me so much that I ended up coming to set and doing everything that I love to do. I was so upset when I got this happen, and Apu told me, he's like, Valusha, man, it's action. You're working with such cool guys, and you're getting to do something you've never done before, and you've gone and got this done to yourself. And I was so upset, but he manages to do that. He manages to get into your head and like mess it up, and you feel so upset. But I had so much of fun. It was so thrilling. Thank you for this opportunity.
But समझ नहीं आया ना, इसने अप्पू की बड़ाई की या बेइज्जती की, है ना?
दोनों.
ऐसा मिक्सचर में आया कुछ.
Okay, guys.
Espionage thriller है. It's edge of the seat suspense thriller जिसमें थोड़ा एक्शन है, ड्रामा भी है, एंड इसमें हर कैरेक्टर के ऊपर सस्पिशन जाता है कि कौन हीरो है, कौन विलन है, एंड उससे गेम चलती है 8 एपिसोड के लिए. तो काफ़ी फास्ट मूविंग है, सस्पेंस है, एंड इट्स अ प्रीटी कूल शो है. आई थिंक पीपल विल बी almost at the edge of the seat if they understand it. If they don't, then they'll be chilling. But it's pretty cool. It's a nice show.
Okay, साहिब तो बहुत टाइम मतलब एक्शन में नजर आ रहा है.
पहली बार.
रेस 3 में थोड़ा बहुत. अच्छा. तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
As experience of shooting the show, I think बहुत मजा आया यार. This is the first time I think मैंने full-fledged action किया है, and I think when the script came to me and I knew Appu was directing, तो मुझे ये because of the fact that Appu loves action films and those are the kind of films he makes, so I thought that it was a correct decision for me to if I want to work in this space, I'm working with the best director in that space. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, एक्शन करने में बहुत मज़ा आया, but like how my director just said कि besides the action, there is a very strong plot we have to the show, which I think makes the show. Of course आपने जितने भी espionage shows देखे होंगे, ultimately it is
about stopping something that is about to happen, but I think the drama that takes place before we actually get to that is what makes our show. So it's a pulsating show, it's edge of the seat, it's got great locations, we shot in some fantastic locations, we've got a very interesting cast and बहुत अच्छी script है यार. मैं I think जब भी हम action की बात करते हैं लोग कभी script की बात नहीं करते हैं, but I feel like Suresh Nair and Chintan Gandhi have worked really hard on the screenplay and the dialogues of the show and they've come out really really nice. So when I read it the first time, I finished all the episodes reading. I finished the reading in one go. I couldn't put it down. So and I usually judge material basis that कि यार अगर आपको पढ़ते हुए if you finish reading everything without even thinking, तो I think it's good material and I felt like that when I read Crackdown.
तो एक बार से आपका भी क्या यही रिएक्शन था जब आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट आई? विदिन अ सेकंड आपने हाँ कह दी.
सर मुझे उतना मौका नहीं मिला. अप्पू सर मेरे स्कूल के सीनियर हैं, इन्होंने मुझे बोला तू कर रहा है, तो चॉइस नहीं दिया मुझे इन्होंने कुछ भी बोलने के लिए. मुझे तो करना ही था.
इकबाल सर, ये आपका सेकंड डिजिटल शो होने वाला है आफ्टर न्यू ऐप के साथ. कैसा रहा आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद योर पोस्टर?
Amazing, everybody. We had a bunch of amazing people on the set, all like-minded people, and best क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टीवी किया है, तो मेरे लिए बहुत रिलैक्स रहा. अप्पू सर खुद 7-8 घंटे बाद शूट नहीं करते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर होने के बावजूद, तो हमारे लिए बहुत रिलैक्स रहा.
एक तरह से हाँ, because you have a lot of projects that are coming up, so you get options and so more than characters ना, I feel writers get liberty to write what they want. अब writers जब अच्छे characters लिखते हैं, so we actors get lucky, and then we have directors like him who just take that script and make it into something. So writers have more liberty in a digital space, which I truly feel exists.
I think any medium, it really depends on who's telling the story. It really depends on the storytellers.
I think as a medium of the OTT platform, which caters to the upwardly mobile audience, the aspirational audience, automatically the kind of stories that are written have lots of shades of grey, which are very interesting to play as an actor. So that's what I feel becomes a very important and interesting opportunity for all of us.
You know, I would like to add to this, like a very interesting thought here. The ensemble that is in the show, or the ones that is standing here in front of you as actors, you know, Web gives a space for people from different school of acting coming together and being a part of one show. Like you have them doing theatre and cinema and television Marathi. She's been in one of the most well seen shows, the earliest on television. He has been a part of some number of good big hit shows on Hindi television, and she's been a very web space flag bearer as a young prodigy there. So I feel a show that gives a chance for this interesting lot to come together and try their hand at being a unit. This can only happen on web. It can't happen on TV so easily or even in a film so easily. But to happen in web, it gives opportunities for different actors to come on one common platform and try their hand at something very new.
And if it works, we always end up having a season 2, which doesn't happen generally with movies or television shows in India as of now.
Which I'm sure will happen with the Riker case.
I hope so.
Okay, आज हमने सुना कि गोवा में शॉट हुआ है, तो आपका शूट कितनी कुछ मजा मस्ती आपने की, any sort of memories you want to share?
ये लोग बताएंगे, हम काम कर रहे थे, ये मजा मस्ती कर
I
रहे
think
थे.
हम लोग ने पार्टी ज़्यादा किया है और शूट बहुत कम किया है overall. But to add to your question, I think I wanted to say that OTT explores a lot of genres. So we are not stuck to one kind of drama or program. So which allows you to give a different kind of narrative, different kind of shows, and therefore a lot of actors get a lot of different opportunities. Also 10 episodes, number of seasons, which also means that each character has a longer track and character to flesh out and more time to prepare than television. So in both ways, it's the better part of TV and the better part of cinema that OTT brings overall.
मुझे लगता है कि इतना डिफ़िकल्ट भी है क्योंकि लोगों के पास वो रुक के देख सकते हैं, पीछे जा सकते हैं, तो आपको बहुत प्रिसाइजली करेक्ट भी होना पड़ता है. फिल्मों की तरह नहीं कि आप देख रहे हो और फिल्म ख़त्म हो गई, तो वैसा नहीं है थिएटर में जाके जो हम लोग करते हैं. OTT पे हम लोगों को बहुत प्रिसाइजली, बहुत अच्छा, मतलब करेक्ट, सब करेक्ट ही होना चाहिए. और ये भी है कि आपका काम उतना इंटरेस्टिंग भी होना चाहिए, वरना लोग पहले एपिसोड में ही वो देख के आगे के नहीं दे सकते। तो उनके पास उतनी हम लोगों ने पावर दे रखी है इसमें, तो दोनों तरफ इक्वलिटी है, तो उसकी मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, उसका इस पे भी असर हो रहा है, लोगों पे भी असर हो रहा है। तो
ये तो स्ट्रीम होगा अगले महीने, होपफुली मिड अप्रैल। एंड जैसे वुड सेलेक्ट पे आपको काफ़ी 30 ऑड शोज़ देखने को मिलेंगे, तो ये उनमें से एक होगा। और ये अगले महीने मिड अप्रैल तक होपफुली वुड सेलेक्ट पे आएगा और सबको पसंद आएगा। और अगर पसंद आया तो इसका सीज़न 2 भी होगा, और जब वो होगा तभी आएगा। पर आई फील एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, ऑल ऑफ अस आर एक्साइटेड एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग दिस शो टुगेदर, बिकॉज हमने शूट करके 1 साल हो गया है, तो हम भी सब एक्साइट हो गए कि चलो अभी हमने 1 साल पहले जो किया था वो अभी कैसे आएगा।
एंड फन फैक्ट, हमने आप सबके साथ ही ट्रेलर अभी देखा है, सो हमने भी नहीं देखा था ये ट्रेलर पहले।
ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस।
यस,
थैंक
यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
ऐसी ही और मजेदार, शानदार और चटपटी खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए देश ऑनलाइन।
हमारे चैनल देश ऑनलाइन पल्स ऑफ पीपल और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलें, ताकि आप अपडेट रहे हमारे नई वीडियो से।